going on? How's everyone doing?
Shout out to Tom. Everybody else who's cool with Tom.
Chucky! I didn't say.
Eat your popcorn and your Coca-Cola and relax.
Anyway, tell Colin I'm ready.
What's going on? This is Colin. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great day so far. I've got a bunch of good ones. I'm thinking about starting this new little project where, once or twice a month, I'm just going to release a bunch of short clips. These clips are between 2 and 4 minutes long. They're too long to be a short, too short to be a video. So I can just put them all together. There's 5 or 6 clips in this, and it's only about 12 minutes long. So I hope you enjoy them. We are bouncing everywhere, bunch of different courtrooms, different judges. They're all interesting. They're funny. Some are weird. Yeah. So let's just do it. Before I hit that play button, you know what to do. Hit the like and subscribe. Do your jump kick backflips. Let's go.
And finally, we have Joseph E. Davis.
Security.
Good afternoon, sir. Are you Mr. Davis?
Yes, sir.
Mr. Davis, do you understand your rights in court today?
Not necessarily.
Did you watch the
I
video?
mean, I should be where you're sitting.
Well, you go to law school for 3 years, then practice, pass the bar, and then practice for 6. You'd be eligible to run. Take me on.
I had to be a secret so you can even go to school.
Well, let's talk about why you're talking to me now. Did you get a copy of the complaint? The piece of paper telling you what you got charged with?
Yeah, it says an ethical populator that was never properly dressed, correctly represented, or compensated was never really recognitioned.
Well, let me read it for you. The Newark Police Department is claiming that on or about April the 17th...
The causes that they all ran over is just confidentiality.
Well, this is a public record, the charge itself. They're alleging that you recklessly, under circumstances in which your conduct was likely to be viewed by and affront others who are in the person's physical proximity, not members of your household, exposed your private parts. It's commonly known as public indecency. It's a 4th-degree misdemeanor. It carries up to 30 days in jail and up to a $250 fine. Do you understand?
I accidentally fell. I didn't get a warning.
Well, I'm just asking you if you understand the charge, not what happened.
Well, first off, why is the first floating shuttle compensation of J.D. Bridges being tossed around since Gerald Latonich, Riddick, Sergeant Barry, Alexia, Lexus Vader, and all these people since James Barnes? And not even me being divorced.
Okay, well, I don't know what any of that means, Mr. Davis.
It's a national security alert. I mean, I'm not even being recognition since first floating shuttle Jeff Bridges founder of an international broken law of schools maintenance time law, schools and illegal waiting time and conduction since Dr. Zabos.
Well, Mr. Davis, I'm inclined to enter a plea of not guilty on your behalf.
The reason they even make money.
I beg your pardon?
The reason they even make money.
Who's making money?
I said it's the reason even George Washington even made money.
Did you just say George Washington?
Yeah, he said, if I buy these Indians off the reservation to pass the money around that has the microplasma that eats the bacteria off your body on the planet. He said, breed the red Indian and the blue Indian, the microplasma, the purple one comes out. He says that those are the best ones. He says that's a simple fact, the simple reason he breeds those two Indians together because the microplasma is a purple teals, he squalls, which is cords, scores, skirts, and he qualls.
Well, I'll tell you what, I don't know anything about that, but I'm going to enter a plea of not guilty for you and set a bond of $1,000, cash sure to your 10%. We're going to
Princess Diana, come on, man.
I'm sorry?
That's Princess Diana's godson. That's crazy.
Well, that's how I'm going to set bond today for you. We're going to get this assigned to a judge and set for a trial. The folks at the jail can assist you in getting an attorney. You may go with the officer, Mr. Davis. Thank you.
I feel degraded.
All right, Officer Riley, that's all I've got on my list.
Oh, who wants to go pro se?
Right, so Patton, we'll start with you first.
Who?
Patton?
Yeah.
I'm not taking Patton, but that's my problem. Okay. I'll be standing there on the yellow X, and then there's your paperwork.
Who are you?
Phone call 25 PM, 724, State of Wisconsin versus David
I
Patton.
ain't gonna stand with you.
Appearances.
I'm not Mr. Pat. Mr. Pat
to see the complaint.
Does he have to go?
Mr. Pat is my property.
Go and do it.
You can do whatever you want.
It's all you. I'm gonna-
Are you David Patton?
I'm not David Patton.
You can go back in custody, we'll find David Patton.
Okay. David Patton is my property though.
If you wish to, this is
I'm
the
not-
case against David Patton.
Oh, okay, well then y'all have like find David Patton.
You go back in the jail, they'll call David Patton, it'll be rescheduled for tomorrow if you wish.
This is my property though. But this is my property. David Patton is my property. And I'm here to establish that David.
You
Patton
want
is my
to take
property.
your place here, David?
I'm
This
not
is
David.
David
I'm
Patton.
not David Patton.
That's
not-
you, sir.
I am man, God wish I did.
We're here for an initial appearance on David
I want
Patton.
to challenge jurisdiction.
If you're not David Patton, you can't challenge anything.
Okay, now we can
Take it back.
We'll
We'll reschedule for tomorrow. Come on, Mr. Freddy.
Mr. Wombat, you've been charged with criminal trespass. That bond amount is $500. You are not to return to 6,000 North Terminal Parkway without paid ticketing. Does that make sense?
I went up there to file charges against the officer that stole my bags. I don't know why I got arrested for being there.
They issued you a criminal trespass on March the 6th. And so then when you came back again, that was the basis of them arresting you. You're gonna have a preliminary hearing date on May the 13th. If you're still in jail at that time, you will attend. If you're not in jail, you will not attend. And I did review your application for court-appointed counsel and it is approved, okay?
Okay, I would like to waive my preliminary hearing too.
You wanna waive your preliminary hearing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me one moment.
And I want to file my forever hearing too.
I'm sorry?
I want to file my too. I want to waive counsel.
I'm not sure what you're asking me for as far as a second. You wanna waive what other hearing?
No, I want to file for forever hearing. Forever, I'm going to pro se. I want to pro se my case.
Oh, okay. So you want to refuse court-appointed counsel? Is that what you're saying?
No, at the time I want him to file for forever hearing for me so I can get so I can get in front of the judge and file my pro se hearing. I want to file for pro se hearing.
Can you all get him a prelim waiver?
Yes, ma'am.
We doing it right now.
Okay, thank you.
You gonna check. This got spoken.
Okay,
You
okay.
gonna stay with the sign, just sign. This the last dude? Yeah.
You know, there's a great quote of back in Texas.
Yeah, right here.
She said, if you are silent about your pain, they will kill you and say you liked it.
All right, Jordan Pulsgraph.
Please don't pay me. Will be honestly, Junior said, you know, pay sometimes.
Okay. You've been charged with loitering, prowling, and obstruction of an officer.
I don't think there's a
$2,000, okay?
handicapped. I'm very sorry. Someone just with a hate crime.
Let us talk, Jordan.
I would like for the crimes to be explained to me so that I understand what is happening and what is going on because I have PTSD. I get very triggered. So
Okay, do you understand you have a bond of $2,000? All right. Your next court date, if you don't bond out, is April 29th. And I will appoint you a public defender, okay?
Oh, hi, are you Mr. Birchfield?
I am Mud.
Okay, I can't hear you. You have to step up here.
My name is Mud. This is what they've been calling me. I'm not Mr. Birchfield, but I'm, I guess, the beneficiary of the name Mr. Birchfield. Not that there's many benefits, but yes, ma'am.
Possession of drug paraphernalia and a case for failure to ID, because I guess they want you to say Birchfield and not Mud. I guess that's the deal. So, but I get it. If you want to go by Mud, that's okay. So they charged this on you on April 10th, 2025. So those are both Class C misdemeanors. You can plead not guilty, no contest, or guilty. Mud, if you plead guilty or no contest, I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to assess your fines and court costs, but your time served. So you can plead not guilty, set a bond, come on in here, talk to me about them, set a trial, or you can plead guilty and be time served and be done. What do you want to do?
I guess guilty of being associated with his name.
But it just, do you want to plead guilty to failure to ID and possession of drug paraphernalia or not?
Sure, why not?
Okay. So I'm going to find you guilty, assess your fines and court costs. Your time served. Thank you, Mud. You're free to go.
Thank you, ma'am.
Court calls the case of the people versus Shawn Nukem.
Brian Bowling on behalf of Mr. Nukem, Your Honor. State your name for the record, please, sir.
I actually have it spelled several names in all the paperwork. I don't know what anyone would be. That's how it's treated. That's fantastic. And my name several ways in all the paperwork. You can talk about the defendant's office and in the jail. And one would need to be like,
What name do you go by?
I go back and witness.
Okay. Have you ever gone by Shawn? Have you ever gone by Shawn Nukem?
They have it spelled, like I said, several different ways on all the paperwork. S-E-A-N and S-H-A-W. And that's most of the paperwork. I have a letter from the public defender's office. The envelope has it spelled S-E-A-N. The letter inside has it spelled S-H-A-W-N. They have spelled in many different ways. I don't know what you want to do. It's not my fault, it's your failure.
Okay, well, we'll accept that failure. And I will indicate that to the best of the court's knowledge, we'll proceed with this understanding the person I know to be, or not know to be, but is Shawn Nukem. All right.
Your Honor, based on my interaction with Mr. Nukem yesterday at the jail and this morning in the lockup, I believe I'm required to request a competency evaluation of this matter.
Forensic evaluation will be ordered. I'll need the orders. I have those, so you'll need to supply those
I
to.
was working on it when the case was called.
All right. I'll set a competency hearing in this case for July 17th, 2025, 9 a.m. This time the defendant's bond is continued. Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Oh, that's it. His bond's revoked. Hold it. Don't go anywhere near. Just, we got to get somebody in here because somebody's got to clean that up. Court's going to stand in recess.
Yeah, I let that play. I didn't want to really interrupt it. Yeah, just a bunch of short clips. I really hope you enjoyed it. I thought there was one more. I really thought I put a third one in. I'm sorry, a last one in there. So that's what I was waiting for. Anyways, if you like this kind of short court clip, let me know. I've got a bunch of these, and just trying to change it up a little bit. I don't know. Just let me know. What do you think? Please hit that like button. I would appreciate it. Until next time, bye.